Good morning, Lord. I am Pawan Kumar, grade 7, subject Max, chapter 3, data handling. What is meant by data handling? Data means collection of information, then handling means arrange the numbers. Listen here. Data and then handling. Data means collection of information. Collection of information is called data. Then handling. Handling means arrange. Arrange or organization. The next one, range. Range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. Range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. Then mean. Mean is equal to sum of all observations then divided by total number of observations. Listen here. Sum of all observations then divided by total number of observations. It is called the mean. Mean is equal to average. Mean means average. The next one, mathematics, class 7, data handling, chapter 3, exercise 3.1, question number 1. Find the range of height of any 10 students of your class. Find the range of height of any 10 students of your class. Let the heights in centimeter of any 10 students be. First one 124, 126, 133, 135, 136, 139, 140, 142, 144. The last one 147. We want to range. Range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. Range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. Listen here. Here highest value is 147. The lowest value is 124. We want to minus 147 minus 124. Range. Highest value among this observation is 147. And then lowest value among this observation is 124. 147 minus 124 is equal to 22 centimeter. 22 centimeter. Then question number 2. Organize following marks in a class assignment in a tabular column. These are all marks 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5, 1, 9, 6, 5, 8, 4, 6, 7. This is not single digit numbers. This is not single digit number. Then we want to the first question is which is the greatest? Then second one is which is the lowest? Then third one is what is the range? Range means highest value minus lowest value. Then find arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is equal to sum of all observations that divided by total number of observations. The first one, which is the greatest number? Listen here. In the table, it's not single digit numbers. Here largest value is 9 and then smallest value is equal to 1. So, which is the greatest? Is equal to 9. Which is the lowest? 1. The next third one, what is the range of data? Range is equal to lowest to greatest value minus lowest value. Greatest minus lowest. Greatest value is 9 and then lowest value is 1. So 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So range is equal to 8. The next one, arithmetic mean. The mean formula is equal to sum of all observations then whole divided by total number of observations. Here sum of all observations. We want to add these numbers. We want to add these numbers. 100. Sum of all observations. You want to add, the answer is 100. Then divided by total number of observations. Total number of observations. Total number of observations. We count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 numbers having, that is a total number of observations, 20. Number of item is equal to 20. 100, sum of all numbers, we add all numbers is equal to 100. The total number of items 20. So 100 divided by 20 is equal to 5. 100 divided by 20 is equal to 5. Then question number 3. Find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. Find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. Already we know that the whole numbers. Whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then etc. That is called the whole numbers. But we want to first 5 whole numbers. First 5 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is all first 5 whole numbers. Our question is find the mean of first whole numbers. Find the mean of first whole numbers. Mean formula is equal to sum of all observations. Then whole divided by total number of observations. Since mean is equal to sum of all observations, then divided by total number of observations. Sum of all means we want to add this and all. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to add 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Then whole divided by number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total number of items 5. So 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 10. Then divided by 5. 10 divided by 5. Here 5. So 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Our answer is 2. Then question number 4. A cricketer scores following the runs 8 innings. The cricketer scores the following runs 8 innings. So number of item is 8. 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0, century, the 100. So find the mean of the score. Mean score means mean is equal to sum of all observations, then divided by total number of observations. Sum of all observations, then divided by total number of observations. Listen here. Mean is equal to sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. You want to add this and all. 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 0 plus 100. You want to add all the numbers is equal to 400. 400. The total score is 400. The number of innings, total number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 8 innings. So 400 divided by 8. 400 divided by 8 is equal to 50. Thus the mean score is 50. The next one. Question number 5. Following the table shows the points each player scored in 4 games. Following the tables shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. Game 1, Game 2, Game 3, Game 4. Totally 4 games coming. And then players, 3 players A, B, C. Their score is 1, 14, 16, 10, 10. The A player 14, 16, 10, 10. The player B 0, 8, 6, then 4. Player C 8, 11. Listen here. Game 3 did not play. The C player did not play. Then game 4 13. So our question is find the mean, determine A's average of the points scored per game. You want to average for the player A. You want to average of the player A. Average means means. Average means mean. Mean is equal to sum of all observations then divided by total number of observations. So we take the first player A. Mean is equal to sum of all observations then divided by total number of observations. Mean is equal to sum of all observations means the player A. Player A score is 14, 16, 10, 10. 14, 16, 10, 10. 14, 16, 10, 10. Then divided by total number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of observations 4. So 4. You want to add 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10. 14 plus 16 is equal to 30. 14 plus 16 is equal to 30. 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. So our answer is 50. Then divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. 50 divided by 4 is equal to 50 divided by 4 is equal to 12.5. 12.5. Thus, yes, the average number of points scored per game is 12.5. His average is 12.5. Then question number 2. To find the mean of points per game for C. Next C. You want to average for C. So average means mean. Mean is equal to the formula is sum of all observations then divided by total number of observations. You want to score for C. You want to average of C. The score of C 8, 11, did not play 13. To find mean of points per game for C, listen here, would you divide the total points 3 or by 4? You want to divide 3 or by 4. Listen here, the C played only 3 games, 8, 11, 13. Did not play the third game. So our question part is, you want to total points 3 or 4? You want to divide total points 3 or 4? Since C played only 3 games, so find the mean of points per game for C. Divide the total point 3 because he played only 3 games. The next one, third one. B played in all 4 games. How would you find the mean? So you want to mean of B. B scores you want to average of B. So B scores 0, 8, 6, 4. 0, 8, 6, 4. Score of C 0, 8, 6, 4. Mean of B 0, 8, 6, 4. You want to mean formula is equal to sum of all observations that divided by total number of observations. 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. Total number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 18 divided by 4 is equal to 4.5. 4.5. Then question number 4. Who is the best performer? Who is the best performer? We comparing A, B and C. Since the mean of A is better and bigger than B and C, A is the best performer because our average is 12.5. Our average is 12.5. The next one, question number 6. The marks out of 100 attained by the group of students in a science test are 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81 and 75 out of 100. So now for out of 100, you want to highest and the lowest mark attained by the students. You want to highest and the lowest mark. Listen here clearly, the form of given data, the highest and the lowest marks are, the highest mark is 95, highest mark is 95 and the lowest mark is 39. Highest mark is 95, the lowest mark is 39. The next, range of the marks, the given marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You want to add 9 marks, 85, 76, 90, 58, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81, 75. The total marks is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 marks having, then divided by 10. You want to add 85 plus 76 plus 90 plus 58 plus 39 plus 40 plus 56 plus 95 plus 81 plus 75 is equal to 70.3. The sum of all numbers divided by 10 is equal to 70.3. The next one, homework part. Seven, 8, 9. Question number 7, 8, 9. Thank you to all.